All right, looking at the stellar here, XLM has not done much lately. It's just pretty stagnant, but sitting right at this 12-cent mark that I got here. So next month I have this drawn up, but next month I was looking for a potential buy position, but I don't think that's going to play out. I think all these cryptocurrencies are going to be pretty bearish. I mean, price is still above this daily moving average, so I mean technically it is bullish, but I'm not very optimistic when it comes to buying these. You can see price did come up to this 165 area, or I guess 16.5 cents, whatever you want to call it. Came up, huge rejection, broke lower, pulled up, broke lower. So I mean, this is textbook bear structure all the way down into this, right around this 12-cent area. And I think eventually it's going to break this zone here and cross over this moving average, putting us, overall pretty bearish. So we'll clean up these zones and we'll just figure out kind of maybe what we'll do for next month. So far it's holding up above this 12-cent mark, but I want to see on these smaller time frames. Yeah, so price comes up, but then pulls, doesn't make a newer high, pulls lower, pulls back up, breaks below. So we'll delete this mark for now. Price is way below this 4-hour moving average, so that tells us it's pretty bearish on this time frame. So yeah, really it's just the daily that we have to break. It's below on the 1 hour as well, so pretty bearish. So I'd be looking for this, most likely be a next month setup. I don't think it's going to do much to end the month. As far as like liquidity areas, this 13-cent mark is pretty good. But I'd probably just see, I like this one, so yeah, which is right around the 13.2. So going into next month, if price comes up to this area, then I'd be looking to sell it. But then a couple other things have to take place. I mean, that's too far out. Sorry, I'll give you a better setup here. What we'll look for is price breaking this 4-hour liquidity zone all the way down here at 11, like 2-ish, right around, between like 11.10 and 11.20 here. Just call it like 11 cents here. 11. Yeah, it's a little bit above 11 cents, but I like this zone here for a couple reasons. So you can see it actually respected this perfectly when price came up here, rejected, then broke above it. Now it's holding below. So this is my area to break for next month. So I'll drag it across here. And until then, I mean, you can see there's actually another liquidity area setting up here, which would give us another good potential short, but I don't want to take it yet. You can see price is, this is a lower liquidity area. You can see the dailies coming into it and then wicking hard, but today's candle is actually pushing through it. So we'll see how today closes. But my main area for entry is going to be this one. So we'll just write this in. We'll just say short liquidity. We'll keep this in mind. This is going to be a next month position, but yeah, we need price to break this area and then retest it. And by then, hopefully this moving average catches up a little bit, and then it'll be below all the other moving averages as well. And you can see this 4-hour candle is already resisting pretty hard, and most likely is going to push down. So I do think that we are headed in the right direction. And then we'll figure out our monthly parameters. These are not these cryptocurrencies are so out to lunch with all the monthly ranges, but I mean, we'll figure something out for next month, and then probably just target the next liquidity zone, which would be like right here. And it looks like XLM here really respects like previous, like what was once support. I guess this one's not as close, but this one was. This one you can see once was resistance becomes support. So this one's not as good here, but I thought it lined up more here. I thought this liquidity area lined up with this one a little bit better, but it did not. So yeah, I mean, this is going to be the potential setup for next month. I don't think it's going to play out this month, I mean, or like the next 4 days, but I mean, it's possible. So it'll be something like this. And we'll target, probably the next whole number, which might be 9 cents, to be honest. Probably lower than 10 for sure, but probably 9. I think we'll have to figure it out then exactly once we, you know, have this entry set up. But so for right now, this is just the idea. This is just the theory on Stellar as it moves downwards slowly but surely. Looking for price to break this area next month and then retest something and enter that short position and probably target about 9 cents on the month for the range. And then yeah, so I'll keep you guys posted on this in the next few days. Just let me know in the comments what you want to see from all the other charts too, and let me know your take on XLM. Am I out to lunch? And, you know, do you think it's bullish? Do you think it's a good buy soon? You know, what do you think? So I want to hear from you.